In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the same voice in Suno AI. To get started, open Suno AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside, head to either the library page or the create page. This is where you'll manage existing songs and start new ones, so both areas are useful depending on where you are in your workflow. To reuse a voice, you first need a song that already contains the vocal style you want to keep using. In other words, this process works best when you already have a generated track with a voice you like. If you've already created one, open that song so you can work from it. Next, look for Suno's Persona feature, if it's available in your account. This is the tool that allows you to carry over the vocal characteristics from a previous song into a new one. Open the song with the voice you want to reuse, then look for an option like Create Persona or Use Persona. Once you find it, save that voice as a persona. This gives you a reusable version of that vocal identity for future generations. After that, start a new song by clicking Create. When the new song setup opens, select the persona you just saved. Then enter your new prompt, your lyrics, or your song idea. This is the part where you can change the content of the song while still aiming to preserve the same voice. To get the best results, it's important to keep the overall style consistent. Try to use similar genres so the voice fits naturally in the new track. Keep your vocal descriptions consistent as well and stay close to the same mood and energy level. It also helps to maintain a comparable song structure because dramatic changes in style can make the generated voice feel less consistent. Once everything is set, click Generate. Suno will then attempt to use the same vocal identity and characteristics from the selected persona in your new song. Keep in mind that AI generation can vary a little from track to track, so the goal is usually strong similarity rather than perfect duplication. When the song is ready, listen carefully to the results. Pay attention to the vocal tone, the delivery style, the singing characteristics, and the overall performance. These are the main signs that tell you whether the voice stayed consistent. If the voice sounds different than expected, refine the process and generate again. Reuse the same persona, provide more detailed prompts, and stay within a similar musical style. Small adjustments can make a big difference. And repeating this process helps you get closer to the voice consistency you want in Suno AI.